Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can install VirtualBox on our Windows computer. So at first we need to go virtualbox.org to download the VirtualBox. So once you are in this page, then you will see that there is a link, download VirtualBox 6.1. So we need to download this installer first and then we can install. So just click there and then you will find this type of page, and in this page there is couple of options. So our says Windows operating system, so we have to choose the Windows host. This one, VirtualBox 6.1.6 platform package. So we need to download this one, and there are a couple of things you can also check those things, but we don't need this thing for now. So let's download. So we can download by clicking here, and if we click there, then it will start downloading VirtualBox shortly, and it will take few seconds to few minutes based on the internet speed. For me it is taking like 10 seconds. So once it is downloaded successfully, then we need to go to the download location to see the installer. Now we have to go to the download location. For my computer, the downloads folder is located under downloads here, and you will see that it is downloaded over there, VirtualBox 6.1.6 and something here there, and this is for Windows version. Okay, so to install this, what we have to do, we can double click or we can do right click, and then we can choose open. Okay, anything is fine. So I'm going to hit double click to start the installation. So once we hit double click, then it will pop up the installer window, and then we can continue. So we don't need this window anymore, so we can minimize this thing, and also we can minimize this browser also because we don't need. So now this is the main screen to install VirtualBox. Okay, now hit next button to go forward to install the VirtualBox, and it is showing that this is the location to install VirtualBox. If you want to choose the other location to install this, you can also do by clicking browse, and then you can choose the location where you want to install. But for us, we are fine. Basically I will not change the location. The default location is fine for me, and then after that click on next button to go to the next step, and just click again next, and it will go the default option, and then click on yes. And so once you finish here, then there will be three buttons. On this back, install, cancel. Back is if you want to modify something, and cancel means if you want to cancel the installation, and install means it will start installation. Just click install, then it will start the installation of VirtualBox. Before continuing the installation, it will pop up this type of warning that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. We have to choose yes, otherwise it will not install. So just hit yes button, and the installation will be continue, and it will be finished very shortly. On the installation is finished, then it will show you this type of thing, and here there is a checkbox. We can uncheck this thing, and we can click on finish to finish the installation. And then if you want to start VirtualBox, just click start menu, and then type virtual, and you will find that Oracle virtual VM VirtualBox application is there. Just double click it, and then it will open the VirtualBox. So once it is open, sometimes you might get this type of warning, like you have an old version of Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. So if you find this type of thing, just click on download link, I mean download button, and it will start downloading those things. And again it will pop up like this, again download. It will finish all the extension downloaded, and once it is done, then again click on yes. It will be like 3-4 times. Just do everything, and then click on upgrade to upgrade this thing, and then we have to check the agreement. So here we need to scroll, then this I agree button will be enabled. Just click I agree button, and then it will again give you this type of warning. Just hit yes button, and then it will start finishing the upgradation of your VirtualBox. And once it is done, just click OK button, and here it is asking that did you want to delete the downloaded file, something like that. We don't need this thing. Okay, we can delete it, and then we can also delete because we already upgraded our VirtualBox. So in this way guys, you can easily install VirtualBox, and after downloading VirtualBox, you can actually install operating system based on your requirement. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or if you face any difficulties to install VirtualBox, just put in the comment section. And if you feel this video is useful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.